So I've been getting questions about this here carpet installation. First thing you do is you put your little stretch on it. And then what you do is you set that back wall there. And you set it, and you get it to sit down in there. Now it's been stretched. Cut her in a little bit. Helps to have done it one twice, but it ain't no rocket surgery. All you got to do is you set this wall now, because there's a stretch along that way. So now we're going to go on and set this wall. Okay, because that wall's now stretched and set. All right, now what we're going to do is closet. It ain't easy. Cut off the excess right over this way. That way you got a little less to work with in this little teeny area. It's just closet. Ain't many people gonna stick their heads all the way in yonder. But you gotta get a little tug on it. Okay, just like that. It's only going 1.5 feet. So you don't really need to get you a big stretch on it. But now that we got our stretch, remember, that way, we'll go ahead and give it a little further on, and then you gotta get up in there. Don't make no jokes about me being in the closet. Alright, I'm gonna need my knife. Watch out, here's close quarters with a knife. This here D-stands. There you go. They got me a little stretch in this here carpet. I'm doing a little better than usual. A little because you're watching me. But what I'm gonna do now, a little chin stretch. You won't even know if I stretched it or not. You can't see in here. But I did. So now I already got my stretch down that way, guys. So what I need to do now is this here's a set wall. Now that I got that stretch down yonder. Okay. Now they make this handy dandy tool. It's called a carpet trimmer. We used to just use our knives or hook knives and chew on it. Nowadays I got this little handy tool. They sell it at their Lowe's Depot. Set it. Don't set it. It's stretched down yonder. So let me set it. Set it. Let me set you up so you can see the rest of this here installation. Put you over here. All right. Okay, can y'all see that? You guys are going to be pros in no time. All right, see, now like I said, I have my set wall. I stretched that down yonder. Now all I got to do is run me. This here's a set wall. And what this enables me to do is go on. Oh, blade's getting bad. I'm cheap. I ain't changing. Okay. What this going to enable me to do is now stretch that way after I set this wall.
Are you talking to yourself or me? Hey, those extension cords are your